Hi, it's Miss Todoric, and I wanted to update the membership video. I added this new low income and hacker cyber level. It was the original hacker cyber level for $6.99, where you got these two courses you got to take a look at the playlist. Not every single, I just started, so not every single video is there. Right now, you'll see the practice questions. And then now this is all in the works. So what I'm doing is I'm going chapter by chapter. They're going to be very long videos of like an hour each. I'm starting with Test Out Office Pro. So you're going to see like chapter one, and it's all the questions, full walkthroughs, all the labs, all combined by one chapter into a playlist for low income. So these are for those students, individuals, whether you're a college student, high school, even middle school student taking this course. So it's going to be much more affordable than the $50 a month. And that way, if you need a little help, it's going to be the low income hacker and cyber playlist for $6.99. But you just got to give me some time as I'm working. It is April 5th, 2025. So my advice to you is check the playlist to make sure before you purchase any membership, look at the playlist and you will see all the content underneath every single course, under every single playlist. So we have probably over 60 playlists, over 2,000 videos. So it's a lot of content on this channel. So you have to please just go to the playlist, click on it, and then you'll see all the videos that you are getting with each membership level. Everything else is pretty much the same. Shout out, basic 99 cents. It's a 30-second YouTube short. I just shout out your channel. And I also include you on my homepage. And it's always being rotated. And that just stays up there forever. So you'll just take a look. It's on the homepage of the YouTube channel. The shout outs for MissTodoric.com, you're going to see that. That's one step up. That's on my personal website. You get 4 shout outs. That's a long form, a 30-second YouTube short, a website shout out. So if you go to MissTodoric.com, you'll see a whole long list of 4 shout outs. And I also included actually on that website the 99 cents shout out. So it's kind of like a bonus if you do the 99 cents. I also put you on MissTodoric.com. And I also design your merch. So I'll have like Kai2Fly, Dragonfly. There's another YouTuber. Oh, I can't think of it. Yeah, I think, or Kobe. There's probably my Life with Kobe, Kai2Fly, and then Dragon Live. So you'll see some merch on MissTodoric.com that I've designed for them just as like sample. So you can take a look, and that's what you get for $2.99. And then one step up, you have the same $3.99, the Microsoft Excel. This hasn't changed. Test Out Pro Certified Microsoft Excel course. Many videos are similar to the Office Pro, but it's a completely separate course that Test Out offers. So that is that. And then we have, I went over the low income. This is Hacker and Cyber. This is 2 new courses. Like I said, there's only practice questions right now, but eventually you're going to have the entire curriculum, all the labs and everything with these 2 courses. But so you get not a lot just yet, but you will have the entire course soon as I work. And then you have the test out explanation. This includes a lot of courses you have to go through. There's PC Pro playlist, routing and switching, and a lot of it's just explanation. Just I don't go full step-by-step walkthroughs. So go through it, read through this. It's not like a test out Office Pro where I take my time and I show you exactly step by step on how to complete the lab. So that's what a full walkthrough is. And you can watch the old membership videos to get an idea of what exactly a full walkthrough as opposed to like a 2-minute, let's just read the steps on how to do it. And that would be more of the explanation. So the explanation would probably be like just the directions that you can just read and just complete, as opposed to me physically showing you, going through it with you, and that would be the full walkthrough for $49.99. So I hope this helps. As always, I'm always updating the levels, but right now that's what we have as of today. It is April 5th, 2025. And if you have any questions or suggestions, you can just post your ideas in the comments. I'll take that into consideration and I'll make changes just like I did with this low income one with a student. So here to help. Hope this helps you guys. And then obviously this is all based on, integrity and hopefully, I do appreciate those full $50 a month members with the Office Pro. So if you can afford it, great. If not, always making changes. Hop on this level. And if you need to downgrade, I get it. That's fine. You can upgrade, downgrade as you wish. All right. Thank you so much for everyone, for all my members. You guys are the best. I love doing these shout outs also. So that's pretty like a new thing for me. And I enjoy it. I enjoy everything that this entire channel has given me and always making changes and improvements. So thank you so much. And until next time. All right. Bye bye.